Unboxing of carpet cleaner from Aldi. Hi everyone, I got this carpet cleaner from Aldi, which cost me only $99. This product is so popular that it is always sold out within few days. Today I am going to unbox and review this product. Alrighty, let's start. First of all, you will get some product information and warranty card. This the handle with water releaser lever. This is the main part of the carpet cleaner and it's a bit heavy.
There you go.
This is the water tank, where you can put your clean water and solution for the carpet, but don't overfill it. It has quite long cord, so you don't need to worry about the extension cord. You have to connect the handle with the help of these two screws. Let's do it. It works quite well. You have to keep refill the water with solution. Soak the carpet first, then you can start using it.